Today looks like a great day for a collaboration video. Good thing I'm doing it with PJC. Who's PJC? That would be YouTube's one and only Paddy Joe Cooking. Paddy Joe and I, we both bought frozen pizzas. What are we going to do with them? We must enhance them to make them taste better than what they already taste. I already got mine. I did a review on it previously. You'll see it. But I didn't give it a great score because it's not real good. But I guarantee you one thing, it's gonna be good. Mark my word. And I'm not gonna throw away any part of that frozen pizza. I'm using it all. But it will be great. I just wonder what Big Guy's gonna do. We'll see.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmurds. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmurds.
chiquita. Yeah, hello chiquita.
Pretty good looking pizza. Gonna get in the oven. Got the oven set at 500 degrees. I'm just gonna monitor it to make judgment on doneness. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be done in 10 minutes or whatever. I'm gonna put it in there. It's gonna be hot, so it's not gonna take long. I'm really upset that I missed the dough tossing because I did good. I thought it was recording. Ugh. Makes me mad. But let's get this in the oven. I will put the timer on just so I know how long it's in there. Heavy. Let's get this baby out of here. Ooh. Ooh, boy. Looky there. Looks like pizza to me. Oh yeah. So there it is, folks. I forgot the mushrooms and black olives, which would have been great on there too, but I'm gonna give it a taste here shortly. Just gonna let it cool down a little bit. Kind of like almost broke it there, but I'm gonna give it a taste and I'll tell you what I think. Here it is. Let's give it a try. Let's go for it. Ooh. That crust is soft. Been eating too many frozen pizzas. I would call this a success because it still maintained itself as a pizza. Not that that's in the rules, not that there is rules like that, but it's still a pizza, a good tasting pizza. Wish I would have used the olives and mushrooms, but forgot those. It's still a good pizza. I can't taste any of that Jack's in there. That's a winner right there. It tastes better than Jack's. Win. And this is a collaboration with Paddy Joe Cooking. Buddy, I can't wait to see what you did on your frozen pizza video because I know it's going to be good. Till next time, I'm Paulie. Maybe you'll see me actually toss the dough this time. It was a thing of beauty. I wish you would have seen it. Catch me on Facebook. Got a page there. Catch me on Odyssey.com. My videos are shown there. And you can also catch me now on Instagram. Paulie Detmurds. Detmurds is out.